everyone, this is Susie. So today I'll be sharing with you my Mexican Christmas fruit salad, ensalada navideña. And these are the ingredients we'll be using. I have some unsweetened coconut flakes, pecans, or you can use walnuts if you like. I have 2 Fuji apples, or you can use any variety that you like. Raisins, coconut milk, pineapple tidbits, sour cream, vegan mayonnaise, cherries. Or you can also add some condensed milk. I know some people use this. I haven't added this because I think it would be too sweet for me, but if you like it, you can add that too, okay? So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is prepare my sour cream. I'm going to use like half of this container. I'm going to pour it in here. And because I don't like the tofutti sour cream like it comes, I usually jazz it up. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I wouldn't add lime juice because I think it would be too bitter. And then about 1 teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar, or you can add white vinegar if you like. And I'm going to try about 1/4 teaspoon of salt or so. And I'm going to mix this very well. So I have a video called Jazzing Up Tofutti Sour Cream, I believe, where I do exactly the same thing. I just add a little bit more of these ingredients, but because I'm going to use this for something sweet, I don't want it to be so like sour and salty. So that's why I added less of the amount, okay? Okie dokie, we're ready to assemble our salad. Yay! So now I have my bowl and I'll put the measurements in the description box exactly of how much it is. So I have my apples. I just chop them. I don't peel them, but you can go ahead and peel them if you like. And then I have my pineapple. Is this gonna fit in here? Oh my goodness, I hope this fits in here. And I have my shredded coconut, my pecans, raisins, yummy, the coconut milk. And this is totally optional. You don't have to add the mayonnaise if you don't want to, but it just gives it another layer of flavor. So about like a tablespoon or so of the mayonnaise. Yeah, that's it. And then the other thing I was going to tell you with the sour cream, you can go ahead and add a little bit of a juice if you like, if you're just going to use it for the salad. I tried it once and it tastes really good too. So it just gives it a little bit more of a pineapple-y flavor. So we're going to add about 1/4 cup or so of the sour cream. And we're just going to mix this very well. Doesn't that look delicious already? Because I didn't have that many cherries, I'm not going to add them to it, but you can if you want. I'm just going to use these for decorations. And then if you think that it's a little dry, you can always add a little bit more of the coconut milk or the sour cream, depending on what kind of flavor you like better. And whatever you have left over, you can even use it to as a creamer for your coffee. This is really good too, or for any other recipes that you like. And I know that this is supposed to be like a Christmas fruit salad, but you can have this as a snack or a dessert, and you can have it year round because these ingredients you can find all the time, and this is so good, you guys. I hope that you guys really, really like it as much as I do. Doesn't that look delicious? So let's give this baby a try. This is delicious. Those cherries really just give it like an extra layer of like sweetness. I love it. I hope that you guys give this one a try. It's really easy. Like you saw, it's very, very quick and easy. It lasts for several days in the refrigerator. So I hope you guys give it a try. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.